Welcome to this lesson on custom audience development. Custom audiences allow you to target people who already have a connection with your business. These audiences are built using your own customer data or your past user activity. Let's learn how to create custom audience development. Open Facebook Ads Manager. You go to the Audiences section. You click the Create Audience button. You select the Custom Audience option from the list. This gives you access to multiple data sources for building your audience. One common method is creating a website custom audience. This audience uses the Facebook pixel to track visitors on your website. You can target people who viewed specific pages. You can target people who added items to their cart. You can target people who visited but did not purchase. Another method is uploading a customer list audience. This involves adding email lists, phone numbers, or CRM records to Facebook. Facebook matches your data with real user accounts. This allows you to advertise to past customers or to high-value leads. A third method is creating app activity audiences. This audience targets users who installed or interacted with your mobile app. You can target people who triggered specific in-app events. This approach is ideal for app-based promotion and re-engagement campaigns. A fourth method is engagement custom audiences. These audiences are created from interactions on Facebook or Instagram. You can target video viewers. You can target people who messaged your page. You can target users who liked, commented, or shared your content. Now let's compare different segmentation approaches. One approach is behavioral segmentation. Behavioral segmentation focuses on user actions such as purchases or website visits. This helps you identify people who show clear interest in your offer. Another approach is engagement segmentation. Engagement segmentation groups people based on how they interacted with your social media. This is useful for retargeting users who engaged but did not convert. A third approach is data-driven segmentation. Data-driven segmentation uses customer lists, subscribers, or CRM data. This helps you target loyal customers and high-intent leads. A fourth approach is intent-based segmentation. Intent segmentation focuses on people who performed high-value actions such as viewing product pages. These people are often very close to purchasing. Each segmentation approach serves a unique strategic purpose. The right segmentation depends on your campaign goals and audience behavior. Now let's evaluate the effectiveness of custom audiences. Custom audiences are extremely effective for retargeting campaigns. Retargeting warm users increases conversions and reduces costs. These audiences already know your brand and need fewer interactions before taking action. Custom audiences also work well for upselling campaigns. People who have already purchased are more likely to buy again. They trust your business and respond better to new offers. Custom audiences can improve lead generation results. When you target users who have already shown interest, you receive higher quality leads. These leads convert faster and require less nurturing. Custom audiences also support brand recall campaigns. People who previously interacted with your content are more likely to remember you. However, the effectiveness of custom audiences depends on data accuracy. High-quality data creates strong, well-matched audiences. Poor or outdated data reduces performance and weakens targeting. Custom audiences become even more powerful when combined with lookalike audiences. Lookalike audiences help you reach new customers similar to your best existing users. This combination provides both precision and scalability. In summary, custom audiences allow you to target warm, engaged, and high-intent users. Audience segmentation helps you organize and optimize your targeting strategy. In the next lesson, we will talk about campaign objectives and structure. Stay connected with us.